Why are millions of people suddenly obsessed with making money without working all the time? And is this a smart move? Or just another trend people are blindly following? Today, I'll show you exactly why passive income is so popular, and what's really driving this trend. What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn with little daily effort after the initial work is done. For example, a YouTube video keeps earning money, an ebook keeps selling, investments keep growing. But here's the truth. It's not no work. It's work now, earn later. What people actually want. The biggest reason behind popularity is simple: freedom. People are tired of fixed schedules, bosses, and trading time for money. Passive income offers something different: control over your time, flexibility in your life, income even when you're not working. That idea alone is enough to attract millions. How the internet changed everything. The internet made passive income possible for almost anyone. Today, you can start a channel, sell digital products, build online assets. You don't need huge money or connections anymore. What used to be limited to a few is now open to everyone. What is the social media hype? Let's be real. Social media plays a big role. You constantly see, make money while sleeping, earn without working. These ideas spread fast, and when people see others doing it, they start thinking, am I missing out? Life is getting expensive. Everything is getting more expensive. One income often isn't enough anymore, so people look for something extra, but without burning out. Passive income feels like the perfect solution. Why financial independence is important. People don't want to depend on one paycheck anymore. They want multiple income streams, because more income streams equals more security. It's not just about making money, it's about feeling safe. What is the reality behind it? But here's what most people don't say. Passive income takes time. It takes effort, and it takes patience. It's not fast, it's not easy. But it can be worth it. So here is the real question. Is passive income actually a smart long-term move? Or is it just a trend that looks better than it really is? And more importantly, are you willing to put in the work now to earn later?